I'm about to blow your mind in the next 60 seconds. So I found some research that's going to be really helpful for guys that are having trouble gaining muscle, or for any guy that just wants that extra edge in the gym to lift more weight and recover more quickly so you can actually just build more muscle easily. There was a study out of Copenhagen in their Journal of Endocrinology that found that when men consume this one little known amino acid that's readily available from collagen protein, that the subjects had a massive boost in GH. Now, if you know anything about performance enhancement and recovery, then you know how powerful a GH boost can be for truly getting stronger and recovering faster. There's a reason all those home run sluggers back in the day were using GH to slam homers out of the park, but they were using the illegal kind. Today I'm going to show you how to stimulate your body into producing massive GH boosts naturally, which is a way safer and way more consistent thing to do. So in this study, the researchers gave different doses of glycine, an important anti-stress amino acid that is found in high dosages in collagen protein, to a group of guys. The results were insane. Every single group of guys who took the glycine had massive GH boosts in a dose-dependent manner. The more glycine they took, the more GH their body released. And more studies out there have found similarly impressive results. One study in the journal Nutritional Neuroscience found that a simple mixture of glycine, glutamine, and niacin given to men and women for just 3 weeks produced a whopping 70% increase in natural GH production. Insane. This is a simple and very affordable performance enhancement secret that you can start using today to get a lot of natural GH production without having to have the side effects and the risks associated with using the synthetic hormones. Now, you're probably wondering, what's the easiest way to get more of this glycine in your diet? Now, the easiest way that I've found is to start using a high quality collagen protein supplement, since collagen is such a rich source of glycine, along with other pro-metabolic amino acids like proline and hydroxyproline. Now, this is one of the main reasons why I decided to develop total collagen protein here at my supplement company, UMZU. But I didn't just use any old collagen formula like you could find on the shelf in a grocery store. In fact, I used 5 different collagen fiber types in the total collagen protein formula to make sure that we can get all the different types of collagen we need for different uses in our body. Total collagen protein is quite simply the best collagen supplement on the market. And of course, it contains a whopping 5.44 grams of glycine per scoop. You'll be hard pressed to find any competing product out there with those kinds of numbers and for such an affordable price and high quality source. So if you want to try some of the glycine-rich total collagen protein today, just click through to the next page to learn more. As always, we offer at UMZU a 60-day money-back guarantee. So for any reason you have a bad experience, for any reason you don't like your total collagen protein supplement, just let us know and we'll happily refund your money. We want all of our customers to be very, very happy. And that's why we've built such great rapport with our current customers, because they love the experience, because we really value your experience on our products and we want everyone to be happy with their purchase and their investment and their health. So if you want to try total collagen protein today, just click through to the next page to learn more. Thanks for watching.